In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an interactive star rating component in Figma. We'll start by drawing a single star and end with a fully animated rating you can test in prototype mode. Begin by clicking the Shape tool and choosing the star. Click and drag on the canvas to draw it. Then set its width and height to 100 by 100 in the right sidebar so every star is perfectly consistent. Now copy that star and paste until you have 5. Select all 5 stars together so we can clean up spacing. On the right side, open the alignment and distribution options, the 3 dots next to position, and choose distribute horizontal spacing. This ensures even gaps between each star. With all stars still selected, right-click and choose Add Auto Layout. This wraps them in a frame with smart spacing controls. On that new frame, click the middle alignment icon so the stars are neatly centered and adjust the spacing value to fine-tune the distance between them. This will keep the layout consistent even as we switch variants later. Next, look for the variance controls on the right. Click the plus sign, choose variant, and set the total to 6. You now have 6 versions of the star row, each representing a different rating state. In the second variant, change the first star to yellow to indicate a 1-star rating. In the third variant, make 2 stars yellow. In the fourth, 3 stars. In the fifth, 4. And in the sixth, all 5 stars. Keep an eye on spacing inside each variant. If anything shifts, use the auto layout spacing control to adjust the distance so all variants look identical except for the fill colors. Switch to the prototype tab in the right corner. Create interactions that move progressively through your variants. Click the first star in the default variant and connect it to the second variant. Set the animation to Smart Animate so Figma smoothly fills the stars. Then, click the second star and connect it to the third variant, the third star to the fourth variant, the fourth star to the fifth variant, and the fifth star to the sixth variant. This chain lets users click stars to increase the rating step by step. Create a new frame to serve as your canvas. Open Assets, go to Local Assets, and drag your star rating component onto the frame. Finally, click Preview to test. Click each star in order to watch the rating animate from 1 to 5 with clean, consistent spacing and smooth transitions. That's your interactive star rating ready to drop into any